ipapo now needs a way, a solution somehow, so that everyone can access.
Yeah.
Because asi munhu wese achazokwanisa kudi kuenda kuchi.
Yeah, ndochokwadi apapo wadzikisa gejo. So if you could speak to the version of yourself who believed I can handle this alone, what would you tell him today?
Tell him mfana wangu akandibhayizira.
Wakandibhayizira.
Wakatipinza busy mfana. Whatever you thought you were doing, mfana. But I want to remind you, Mukudze, of everything.
Yeah.
That your mother taught you, that your father taught, that your teachers taught you.
Yes.
You're not that man.
Yeah.
No. Yeah, that's all.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's all.
That's fine. Whole wakati we live uchichema wana wakabvunza chi una whole ari kucheme. You know, people could tell, right? Mfisa pama wanu. I could tell as well. I could tell to know holy. One knows that this is not holy. Something bad is really happening in his life right now. And I could not reach out to you that time. This number is not working. This number, I'm like, hey, trying to call the management. Guys.
Do you want the truth?
I want you to tell me the truth.
I'm going to ask you a very serious question.
Yes.
Would you like the truth, or you would want a version that just sounds nice on camera?
As long as it's not going to lead us into trouble, I think it's fine.
You want the truth?
Yeah.
I would never come here and cry on camera. Never. Ever. In any, despite good answers, I'm of family, it's not pride and all that.
Yes.
I will tell you, I'm a man, and I believe I'm a man. Not that other men that cry don't cry.
Yes.
But that time specifically, that track got this thousand and track got this.
But time here, why got such?
I don't want to preempt everything.
Yes.
Because now it becomes private life, you know what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
But do I undermine one? I know we have one about the depression. Yeah, I know they're reaching out. They're not weak.
Yeah.
Yeah. They're not weak. They're reaching out.
Yeah.
But was I reaching out? No.
What were you doing then?
There are things that I was doing.
Serious?
Yeah. For certain things that ended up working in my...
Oh.
Yeah, but Ola, do I look like I'm the kind of guy that will come in and cry on camera?
So it was like a genius move.
Yeah. I mean, yeah. Yeah.
Because Palavi, you said something in a court. He said, I've been bleeding and crying through songs for a while, but no one has been listening.
I'll give you a clue, fine.
Yeah.
18 April. 18 April. I have an album. And I played certain songs there. And sometimes you have to wait for the date to come. And then it starts all making sense. Like I said, it already worked. And when you hear my album, and certain things that I'm saying in that album, you realize those are